Well, I now bear good news because there were two world records that were to be broken today. One was a maximum number of Surya Namaskaras or sun salutations as they call to be broken, and the second was the largest yoga session or yoga class in one place. Both of them have been broken by the Andhra Pradesh government, Ayush department, and they are now Guinness Book of Record world holders. The first one, it was 1,305 was the number they were targeting. That was the first target, but they have well surpassed with 22,000 people doing Surya Namaskaras together, and that is way beyond the record that was held before. And secondly, the second world record they were looking at was close to around 2 lakh people together in one place taking a yoga session or a lesson. And we just heard the Guinness Book of World Records officials saying that they can't give you a number right now, but Andhra Pradesh has well passed that as well. So both of them done. And why this is important is because the people who stand with me today are part of this very world record breaking event. Thank you so much. But let me ask you, now that you just heard them say that, how does it feel?
Yeah, it feels very special to be a part of something like such as the Guinness World Record. So having a lot of people doing organizing all the way from here to Beamleaves is a lot of time and effort.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.
But tell me something, do you do yoga regularly? Is it a part of your daily routine, or did you start because of this?
It's actually my grandfather who made me come here. He's part of the organizing team, so I came in on his behalf and I was doing yoga. I've done yoga in the past, but not regularly.
Well, now you will, because it shows what kind of energies it brings, and especially you're in a beautiful city like Visakhapatnam. Sir, you've been also standing very patiently with me with your young son here. You're also part of that great QR code that you're wearing on your t-shirt, because it is this QR code that has made the world record. How does it feel to be a part with both your children?
It feels very special and very good that we are being a part of such a big organizing yoga. So it's not only as a public we are doing this, but it's a government who did all the arrangements and all.
But tell me, how was it doing with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji leading it along with Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu?
The arrangements were very nice. It was very seamlessly, very smoothly it all went. So no tensions and no hodgepodge. Everything went very well.
Well, the event may be well organized, but it's also when you word the word tension, that because that's something to make yourself stress-free in life. Yoga is all about that. The word yoga, it's also about bringing in unison, people in unison, and clearly that was done today along this beautiful RK beach in Visakhapatnam.
Thank you so much, Rohini, for all your inputs from